In the trimmer box, they have mentioned as 20 lens settings, and the runtime is about 60 minutes, and it has self-sharpening blades. And they have mentioned the IMI logo. It is imported from China, so that the country of origin is China. In the box, they have given beard 1 unit, user manual 1, charging cable that is micro USB that you use for phones, trimming comb 1, pouch 1, and cleaning brush 1. And they have mentioned the dimensions. The rated wattage is 10 watts, that is you should use 10 watts charger, then 3.7 volt rated voltage, then rated power input is 3 watts, and it has adjustable settings of 0.5 millimeter, that is from 0.5 millimeter to 10 millimeter, and power switch. See, now I am adjusting the settings by 0.5 mm, it goes up to 10 millimeter. And this has a LED battery indicator, that is you can identify how much charge it is there, so that you need not run out of charge. This has micro USB port. In case if you wish to charge, you can open the port or else you can close it, and the MI logo is present. If you long press the power button, it goes into travel lock or child lock. It means that it doesn't switch on when you press the power button unknowingly when kept in pouch or during travel. This is a good facility. Adapter inside the box, they provide only the cable, so that you should use your phone's wall adapter. Now let's see the difference between the Mi New trimmer and the older one. The Mi New trimmer, that is the Mi beard trimmer 1C, offers a runtime of up to 60 minutes, whereas the older one offers a runtime of up to 90 minutes. The new trimmer is cordless, that is it can be used only after charging, it can't be used while charging, whereas the older one can be used in both types. The new trimmer has 20 lens settings, whereas the older one has up to 40 lens settings. Both the trimmers has an adjustment of 0.5 millimeter. The new trimmer has low water resistance, whereas the older one has IPX7 water resistance rating, so you can wash your trimmers with water. The new trimmer has a USB port charging, so that you can use your phone's charger wherever you carry your trimmer also. Whereas the older one, that is the Mi trimmer beard trimmer last year's model, can be used only with a proprietary port, so that you should carry your cable with you always. The new trimmer offers one comb, whereas the older one offers two combs. Now let's come to the pricing. The new one is priced at 999, that is 1000 rupees, whereas the older one is now priced at 1399, that is 1400 rupees. If you can spend 1400 rupees, you can go for the older model, whereas if your budget is strict at 1000 rupees, you can definitely go for the Mi beard trimmer 1C. It's worth its money. Whereas many companies like Philips and Cisco doesn't offer this much specs at this price. Thank you.